Hello everyone, welcome back with the additional in today's newspaper of Monday, September the 7th, 2020. The second Sudoku is a 2 stars Sudoku, and this will be a number 1479. And the 2 star Sudoku has always 26 printed numbers. Let me check if this is correct. 1, 2 plus 4 is 6. 7 plus 4 is 11. 12 plus 4 is 16. Plus 5 is 21. Plus 2 is 23, plus 3 is 26, correct. Alright, so let's get started. Let me see, which number can I use? We have here 4 boxes. The 8 in this column, 8 in the second column, so in the third column the only 2 places for the 8 should be here or there. We see here an 8, no 8 there, 8 should be there. Then a 3 in this row, a 3 in the middle row, so the row below, the only 3 places for the 3 should be here, or there. We see here 3, no 3 there. Here 3, no 3 there. The only place for the 3 should be there. In this big square, 4 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is 3. We see here 3, no 3 there. Here 3, no 3 there. So the 3 could be here or could be there. So in the last row, we have a 3 in one of these 2 boxes. A 3 in the row above. So that row, the only 2 places for the 3 should be here or there. We see here 3, no 3 there. 3 should be there. 3 in this column, 3 in the column next. So in the last column, the only 2 places for the 3 should be here or there. We see here 3, no 3 there. 3 should be there. 3 in this row, 3 in the second row. So the third row, the only 2 places for the 3 should be here or there. We see here 3, no 3 there. 3 should be there. And I have here 2 places for the 3. One of the dots should be a 3. We see here 3, no 3 there. 3 should be there. Alright. And all the 3s are used. I can see. Yes, digit number 1. 6 in the third column, 6 in the second column. So in the first column, the only place for a 6 should be there. Here. No, I cannot continue with the 6. 7 and 9. Alright. 5, 4, 4. 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 2. We see here 2. No 2 in these 2 boxes. 1 box left for the 2. Should be there. 2 boxes left in this big square for the numbers 4 and 5. We see here 4. No 4 there. 4 should be here. And the 5 goes and there. 4 in this row. 4 in the middle row. So the row above. The only place for the 4 should be there. And then 8. Let me see. No. 2 boxes left in this column for the numbers 1 and 7, I believe. 1 and 7. We see here 7, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and the 1 goes there. 2 boxes left in this big square for the numbers 9 and 1. We have a 1 here, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and then 9 goes there. 2 numbers left in this column for the numbers 9 and 4. We have a 9 here, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and 4 goes there. Yeah. 3 missing numbers in this row. Those missing numbers are the 4, the 7, and the 8 in this row. We see here a 4 and an 8 here, so no 4 and an 8 in this box. 1 digit left should be the 7, the 4 and the 8 goes in these 2 boxes, 4 and the 8. So we have a 7 in this row, 7 in the last row. So the row between, the only 2 places for the 7 should be here or there. We see here 7, no 7 there, 7 should be there. Yes, in this big square. 4 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is 9. We see here 9, no 9 there. Here 9, no 9 there. The only 2 places for 9 should be here or there. So we have a 9 in one of those 2 boxes in the last row. A 9 in that row. So in the row between, the only 2 places for the 9 here or there. We see here 9, no 9 there. 9 should be there. Two boxes left in this row. The numbers 4 and the 5 are missing. We see here 5, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 4 goes there. 2 boxes left in the last column for the numbers 1 and 2. 1 and 2. We see here 1, no 1 there. 1 should be here. 2 goes there. 3 missing numbers in this big square. Those numbers are the 2, the 7, and the 5. We see here the 2 and the 7. So no 2 and the 7 in this box. 1 digit left should be the 5. The 7 and the 2 goes in those 2 boxes. Three missing numbers in this big square. Those numbers are the 1, the 8, and the 9. We see here the 1 and the 9. So no 1 and the 9 in this box. The one digit left should be the 8. The 1 and the 9 goes in these two boxes. One box left in this row for the number 4. 8 in this column, 8 in the last column, so the column between. The only 3 places for the 8 should be here, here, or there. We see here the 8, we see there the 8, so no 8 in these two boxes. One box left for the 8 should be there. Two boxes left in the first row for the numbers 4 and 6. We see here 6, no 6 there. 6 should be here. And the 4 goes there. Let me see. 3 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is 1. We see here 1. No 1 there. In one of these two boxes is a 1, so no 1 there. The only place for the 1 should be there. 2 boxes left in this column. The 2 and the 6 are missing. We see here 2, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 6 goes there. 2 boxes left in this big square for the numbers 6 and 8. We see here 6, no 6 there. 6 should be here, and the 8 goes there. 8 in this column, 8 in that column, so the column between the middle column. The only 2 places for the 8 should be here or there. We see here there ain't no 8 there. 8 should be there. And all the 8s are used. I can see, yes. 6 in this row, 6 in the first row, so the row between. The only 2 places for the 6 should be here or there. We see here 6, no 6 there. 6 should be there. And all the 6s are used. I can see. Digit number 3. Then 2 missing numbers in this row, the middle row. Those numbers are the 2 and the 9. We see here 2, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 9 goes there. 2 boxes left in this big square for the numbers 1 and 9. We see here 9, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and the 1 goes there. Here. 2 boxes left in this big square for the numbers 2 and 5. We see here 2, no 2 there. 2 should be here, the 5 goes there. 1 number left in this row for the number 9. And all the 9s are used. I can see, yes. 2 boxes left in this big square for the numbers 5 and 7. We see here 7, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and the 5 goes there. 1 number left in this column for the number 7. 2 boxes left in this big square for the number 7 and 2. We see here 7, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and the 2 goes there. 2 boxes left in the middle column for the numbers 1 and 2. We see here 2, no 2 there. 2 should be here. The 1 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 1 and 5. We see here 1, no 1 there. 1 should be here. The 5 goes there. And the final 2 numbers of this big square. The 5 and the 4. We have a 5 here. No 5 there. 5 should be there. And the 4 goes here. Finish in 15 minutes. Alright. Great Sudoku. I like this one. Do you think so? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it myself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you in a minute with the third Sudoku. See you later. Bye bye for now.